Edmo says, need your advice, Limmy. I was in the toilet doing a shit. I farted so loud my boss shouted in the loo. Enough of that, for goodness sake. I can't look at her anymore. I think she knows it's me. As a woman, I appreciate this is bad. Help needed. McClunky. You're just going to have to... Just remember, you're the one that's grounded with nature. So you're the one that's in the right. I own it. What, do you know fart and shite? Nah. Like that, kind of like that. If you don't want to hear farts and smell shites, don't go into a toilet.